I'm filming us as we talking here. You know?
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, it's a different sound there. So that's the muffler delete there. So they cut off the resonator underneath the bottom and made it straight pipes. And so that's the sound you get once you do that. And then on the newer vehicles, then it sounds even louder on those. Yep, but that's what we're doing. Different modifications.
Oh, but that's good.
Yeah.
You and wife went on vacations lately?
Huh?
Been on any vacations lately?
Oh, I don't do vacation. I take vacation anytime I want to. I don't have a job, so I can take off whenever I want to take off. You know what I'm saying? I don't need a special day to do that.
What places have you been to before?
I've traveled all over the place. Korea, Germany, Iraq, you know. Wife been to Japan. And
Your wife doesn't work either?
she retired too.
That's a really cool.
Yeah. I tried to give you a whiff of it, but you have to want that. You know, you have all kind of things out here that people are trying to show people on what to do to get there. But you know, everybody don't teach the same way. Yeah, I probably should have brought that up a little bit more, but it'll work. It'll do for now. Everybody don't teach the same way, and everybody ain't doing what they telling other folks to do. That's one thing about my YouTube. I wonder, was that the back and this the front?
Well, as long as you keep building your channel and showing your message,
Yeah,
you're gonna attract the right people.
yeah, just a matter of time. No.
I mean, come on. Also, another thing I love to do, like, hey, don't chase them. You gotta have them chase you.
Well, you know, it
Or something like that.
well, not necessarily. For phones and different gadgets, don't the company advertise all the time and send us emails, send us notification? They do advertisement about the latest software coming out, the latest phone. Right now, I'm doing a raffle for S8 Plus, the Gear S watch,
The Gear S, you're doing a raffle for
the
that?
Gear S3 watch, the Note 8, possibly if I go get the Note 9, I'm gonna do that one.
Right.
And the Xbox, an iPad, first generation. I'm doing all that, and they can enter my raffle, $25, and get as many tickets they like. And all they gotta do is go to my site on my card and pull it right on up and take a look at what's there.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Sounds fun.
I mean, $4,000-5,000 worth of electronics for $25 to enter the raffle, and you can buy as many as you want. So they can go there and take a look, and you got my business card. You want to take a look at it, just go there and see, and you could win it. You could win, and you know, or you could go out there and buy you a brand new S8 Plus for $700.
I didn't. Wow, I never knew that's how a raffle works.
Oh, raffle is whatever the person. This can't be right. I guess it is. It ain't yeah, that's how. That's how yeah, that's where it should be. over the window. Right.
Do that. And I better get my box. I'm shopping at Aldi today.
Oh yeah? Look like I stuck it on not quite right there. That ain't too good there. Should have brought it more over this way. And let's see if I can get this done. Yeah, this is not quite as how I envision getting this done, but this is my first time. We're gonna work with it and see what I can do here to still make it look decent and go from there. But I'm sure we can make that happen. Okay, and hopefully I'm still filming and it's not too bad there. Okay, I'm not the best at this filming this YouTube thing here, but we're going to work it out and see what we can do to try to make it turn out decent. So not too bad, probably not the best, but for old Sarge government work, I don't think it's gonna be entirely too shabby for government work here. So we can see how this turn out here and see what can we get done. All right, here, hopefully we're still filming, and I'll let it just run, and we'll see how it turn out here. All right, here, we'll see how it turn out. Yeah, we'll see how it turn out. Not too bad there. Yeah, but check out my raffle, man, and get your ticket.
Oh yeah. Will do. Appreciate it.
All right, no problem. Have a good one.
Hey, don't get too burned out with the heat.
Oh no. I've been working out here in the heat for a long time, young man.
Man, you make it look so easy.
one, it don't look like they really cut even on both sides. That's the one thing there about it. So we gave it a little look, and I'll go ahead and just try this out for size for now, and redo it a little later.